Hi guys and welcome back to the channel, and today we are going to be making toilet paper rolls LOL style. So I have my checklist here. Mum, would you like to choose 2 LOLs?
I would like, are the ones circled the ones you're having?
Yes.
Okay.
So you can't choose them.
I would really like to do Show Baby
Mm-hmm.
and Cheeky Babe.
Okay, Show Baby and Cheeky.
Oh, hang on. No, Show Baby and Vacay Baby.
Yeah, that's her favourite. So is Pharaoh Babe, but sorry, we're doing series 3, wave 1.
Mm-hmm. Okay. So I've
So
got
we
two
just took
toilet
the
roll
glitter
tubes.
out, just in case if we did a glitterati.
Mm-hmm.
So none of us chose a glitterati, so we're not going to use the glitter. Or we could just sparkle them up a little, you know.
No.
Let's sparkle mine up a little.
Okay, so.
So we're done. So let's put.
So how are we gonna do this then?
So wait.
What's the inspiration?
So make sure you download
Pinterest.
because there's lots of people that you could like borrow ideas from. You can make it, or you can create your own. So I got this idea off Pinterest, and I would like to put it on YouTube. So alright. First, paint your toilet.
Hang on. Let's just show what that picture.
We're making these right here.
Put it in front of the camera.
We're making these right here.
But we're
I'm
gonna
on
make
Pinterest
them
right now.
into LOL dolls.
Yes, not
Okay.
these. We're not making them into mermaids. LOL dolls.
I think we do need pink paint.
Yeah, because Show Baby.
This is just like the outline of her face.
Okay, the
But
outline.
I've
We
just
have to make
drawn.
the outline of face. Okay, outline of face.
And then I'm just gonna do her legs as well.
Do we just like draw the eyes too?
No, I'm not going to draw the eyes yet because I might use googly eyes or stickers or so.
Oh no, it's coming. 1, 2, 3, 4.
I'm just cutting out this face.
His.
This.
There we go. My LOL face is done.
And I've got 3 faces because I just made it into a template. So I've got a spare face if you want one.
Okay. Wait, that looks good.
I'll put it
It's best, Mum, if you draw. It's best if we grab like a little feather for you to do. Show Baby's little feather up there.
Yeah, I'm going to get a little feather. I've got a pot of feathers. This looks like a bra.
Really? Oh, it actually really looks like sunglasses. Eyebrows. Well, I actually nearly forgot Funky Cutie's eyebrows. I knew there was something wrong with her, so I looked at those girls like eyebrows. So everything's fine, alright. Let's make right. Let's make the Funky Cutie's hair like a pink. Wait, does Funky Cutie colour change? No? Well, I wish she did. Well, I'm making a pink hair. Funky Cutie doesn't have pink hair, but if you forgot to bring yellow like I did, oh my gosh. Please don't tell me how. You know what? I'm on my next one, Mom. I'm on my next one.
Okay, I'm just
Wait,
cutting
no,
out
no,
my
I'm
shoes.
not. I'm actually not. I need to cut out. I need to cut out my hair. I'm going to cut out Funky Cutie's face. Her lovely face. And then I have to make black tie after that. So now I'm just going to draw Black Tie's eyes.
Okay, so that's the Suey costume for Vacay Baby, look.
Wow, that's actually really lovely.
You see the texture on it. So I cut it out of the middle of a doily. Then what I'm going to do...
Please don't do this. This was like the worst thing.
Do you like the swimming costume?
Yeah.
Does it look good?
Yes, it does. I'm just annoyed.
Right, okay, so I've got the shoes done.
Shoes.
Yeah, there's the shoes. And I've done the legs.
So it's time to make Funky
So I've
Cutie's
just got to get her hair
again.
now.
Do when you're done, you just stick it on.
Yeah, you just start sticking it all on.
Made Dusk, Funky Cutie and Black Tie. Here's Dusk. Tell me what you like about Dusk in the comments. I'll leave that just in case if you missed it. Funky Cutie. I made Funky Cutie too. And Funky Cutie. Tell me what you like about Funky Cutie in the comments. I actually did these bits right here with paint. And I made Black Tie. Here's Black Tie. I had a theory that it might be Black Tie is probably from the movie Men in Black. That's why I probably thought about Black Tie, because she's dressed like it. And Mum has made Vacay Baby, and she's just doing Show Baby. Let me show you.
No, because I'm moving.
No. Here's Show Baby. Mum's gonna finish that off. I mean, I love the gorgeous little headpiece. Tell me what you like about Vacay Baby in the comments. I didn't do this, my mum did. Yeah.
That's why it's not as good as the rest.
I got 3. I did 3 and Mum did 2. And who you like best? Do you like Show Baby? Tell us your favourite LOL from series 3 in the comments. And tell us which one you like about these in the comments. Vacay Baby, Black Tie, Funky Cutie, Dusk or Show Baby. Tell us which one you like about these in the comments and tell me your favourites.
It's Show Baby.
No. She's not from a circus.
Oh.
Would you do that if you made Prankster?
Oh, okay.
She's Show Baby.
Yeah, she's doing the show.
I don't know, like the eyes.
We follow you across the room. Googly, googly, goo.
No, don't do that.
So guys, oh hang on, why is mine here? So these are 2 I did.
And here are the 3 I made.
I know. Mine are amazing, but Eliza's are just crazy amazing. Because like, look at the work she did. You don't even know how much she tried with the hair on this one.
Yeah, I tried so bad.
And then you don't even know how hard she tried on this one. And this one, well, Eliza, high 5 on the LOL toilet Minecraft.
Face 5.
Face 5. Face 5. Give our viewers a face 5. Face 5. Q&A, like this video and then put your question in the comment below of what you want to ask Eliza. Bye.
Make sure to download the app what was it?
And Pinterest if you want to find out
Make sure you download Pinterest because I might make something and you might, and yeah, should we actually? No, I would like you to put this on Pinterest. LOL toilet rolls.
Okay. We'll put this on Pinterest as well, guys.
Okay, how exciting, Pinterest. We're going to put it on Pinterest. This is our first one. We're putting on Pinterest.